In this video, we are going to see how we can receive or claim the Robux that we have received actually in Please Donate. So if you have received some Robux on your stand in Roblox Please Donate game, here's how you can claim it. So if you have received some Robux, what you need to do is on the left hand side, you will see this gifts icon. Click on that. And this is basically to give the offline donation to someone else. While if someone else has sent you some donations, what you can do is on the top right hand corner, you will see this inbox. Click on that and you will see it here. Currently, I have none, but you will see the gift and you have this claim button right here that you can click to. And that's how you can receive those Robux. And once you have received those Robux, it will appear here on the browser. You can see the total Robux right here. So if you want to see all the donations or whatever, if you have even bought the Robux, you can click on My Transactions and you will see all of the details here. All the incoming and outgoing Robux will appear here. And if you have received some donations in Please Donate for Robux, it might show you as pending donations and you don't need to do anything here. You just have to wait for some time and it could take few days to receive the Robux in your account finally in the incoming. So just remember that it can take up to 7 days to receive the Robux in your account if it is sent by donations. So that is how you can claim the Robux in Please Donate. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.